organic learning.
Hey guys, ready to have some fun? Let's learn all about construction equipment. Bulldozer. Get out of the way, here comes a bulldozer. See that massive steel blade? It will push dirt and big rocks out of the way, demolish old buildings, and clear everything in its path. Bulldozers are big, powerful wrecking machines. Bulldozer. Excavator. Want to dig in the dirt? Check out the long arm or boom on this excavator. The bucket on the end of it can dig a big hole in the ground or move large objects. Hop in and dig, dig, dig. Excavator. Rock truck. The rock truck does heavy-duty work. It carries big loads of rocks and dirt. It's built tough with a rugged design and 6 powerful wheels that can drive over the roughest roads on the planet. Rock truck. Scraper. The scraper looks like a big insect, but no creepy crawly can scrape the ground away like this machine can, making a path for new roads. The streets you drive on today were probably made with a hard-working scraper. Scraper. Grader. After the scraper scrapes the ground away, you need a grader to finish the job. Look at those wheels and that long metal blade. They smooth the path for roads or create flat areas where tall buildings can be built. Grader. Wheel loader. If you need to move a pile of dirt, gravel, sand, or snow, bring in a wheel loader. Those lift arms move the bucket up and down so it can scoop up the piles and load them into trucks. Wheel loader. Dump truck. Big loads of dirt and gravel can be loaded into a dump truck. When workers are ready to unload, then up, up, up goes the truck's open box. Everything slides down and dumps right onto the ground. Dump truck. Water truck. Construction sites are dusty places. A water truck carries a big metal tank that's filled with water. Hoses spray water onto the dirt and no more dust. Water trucks can also carry water to help rescuers put out fires. Water truck. Soil compactor. Those big bumpy wheels on the soil compactor have an important job. They press down hard on the dirt and compact it, making a firm, stable base so whatever is built on it doesn't sink or fall over. Soil compactor. Backhoe. Which end does the work on a backhoe? Both. The front end has a loader bucket. Remember the wheel loader that scoops up piles? And the back end has a backhoe, like an excavator, to dig in the dirt. Backhoe. Skid steer. Let's hear for the little guy. Sometimes a big machine just takes too much room, but a skid steer is the perfect size for working in tight places, loading and unloading dirt and gravel in tiny areas. Skid steer. Forklift. Those 2 strong arms on the front of the forklift look kind of like a fork, don't they? And boy, can they lift heavy stuff. They make it easier for workers to load and unload heavy supplies on trucks. Forklift. Crawler crane. When you have a tall job to do, you need a crawler crane. With its super long arm, it can lift steel beams and other heavy materials from the ground all the way to the top of a building. Crawler crane. Asphalt paver. Everybody loves to watch the asphalt paver as it squeezes out hot road materials and spreads it evenly on the ground. The paver drives slowly to make sure it leaves behind shiny black surfaces on roads and parking lots. Asphalt paver. Road roller. Nobody likes a bumpy road, so workers drive a road roller over fresh asphalt to squish it firmly down. Look at its wheels, like giant rolling pins. It gives all the people and cars a flat, smooth ride. Road roller. Cement truck. You can guess what's in that big rounded drum on the cement truck, can't you? That's right, cement. It spins round and round so it stays fresh and can be poured out to make driveways and sidewalks. Cement truck. Great job, guys! Hope you had fun! Bye-bye! See you next time! If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you!